Namaskara machas, welcome back to the Goa Women's 3x3 tournament. So far we won 3 games and are top of the table. But today it's going to get interesting. We're going to have heartbreak. We're going to have physicality. And we're going to have one of the greatest shooting displays I have seen in my life. Let the games begin. A turnover and then an and one. Wow, what a brilliant start to this day. Shot clock is running out. Girls got to throw it up. Oh my god, the rebound had to go right into their hands, no? $1 million move, 2 paisa finish. Double dribble? How, ref? Psych! Ah man, front rim. At this point, $1 million move, 2 paisa finishes are becoming my speciality. Finally, one shot went in. Oh my, not again! Okay, thanks Anaira for cleaning up that mess. But they get a 2-point lead right back. We will answer. Yeah, you've had enough 3-pointers for today. Okay, let's equalize.
Nope.
Rebound.
Who is this rebounder? No faith in my shot. Ooh, we hit them right back with the screen and now we are within one. For the lead. In and out. Arey yaar, this ball is bouncing everywhere except inside the basket. Damn, another layup just like that. We were looking so lost out here. We seriously need to communicate way better. Euro step and a finish. $1 million move, $1 million finish, if I say so myself. 6-7. And just like that, they made it 6-9. We definitely like our memes here, I see. Off the backboard pass. You know, here you have to do it because they're calling off 3-second YO and all. Yes, sir, we're back within one. But the time is running out. We have to score quickly. Defense! Oh my god, not again. Anyway, it's good this is still group stage. All we've lost is the top position in the table. We are now second. Damn man, that was a tough loss. But I guess it is needed to humble us a bit. Next time we cannot be allowing so many threes like this. On to the next, and next one is going to be a tough team. But yeah, thank God it wasn't in the playoffs. Splash, and we open this in style. Wait, what? She's pulling up from like 5 feet behind the three-pointer? What is going on? She wasn't shooting this entire tournament and now she makes this. Okay, time to answer. Damn, that was a slick move. You usually spin the other way, so this looked a little weird. Okay, I should really stop forcing this. It's just 4 points. Lots of time is left. Yes, so we're within one. Damn, man, what was I thinking with that shot? Had Anaira wide open at the free throw line. Come on, you gotta put it up. Shot clock, Vayo. I hit the buzzer beater after the buzzer. Damn, yaar, these two make a deadly pair. One will take crazy shots, one more will get all the rebounds. Cash! Once again, we have cut down the lead to 1-6-7. Not this time, my friend. We are sending all the help in the world. Ah, come on, not a shot clock violation again. I swear we really have to make our moves faster.
Psych!
Nah, macha, bounce pass. 6-9. Cash money, and now we are right back within one. Oh my god, she banks in a 2 to get right back, and that too, this one was a solid contest. Yeah, I wasn't even not expecting it or whatever. Okay, she clears all the way back to the 3 and boom, we equalize. Okay, let's get them right back. Another long range bomb. Swish. What's going on? Okay, nutmeg. Once again, I have to miss this, no? She launches one more from the same spot again. Appa, thank God. We really need a timeout right now. Hope this cools her down a bit. And we need some serious strategy. Down 4 points with 1:12 to go. It's definitely doable, but not easy. We know they're not going to give us a 3. So when they do overplay, let's try to get quick layups instead. And try to draw a foul here and there maybe. Okay, that's not such a great strategy. What? What kind of witchcraft is this? This one, she was damn near at half court. The timeout has not cooled her down at all. Oh hell nah! Damn, if they make one more three, it's game. Of all the shots in the world, this is the one she misses. Okay, no threes for you. You can drive if you want. I mean, seriously, 21 would have been nuts. This one, I don't even know what we could have done about it. Maybe foul. I don't know, but then also she'll get 2 free throws. Damn it, man, that was a shooting performance for the lifetime. But yeah, we should just be happy it's still group stage. And thanks to our score differences on day 1, we are still in second position on the table. Now, for the final group stage game. And one! Thanks for the pass, man. Oh, foul. See, this is why I kind of like wearing loose clothes, you don't need to sell fouls. The fouls will sell themselves. Damn man, they're not making this easy for us at all. Every time they're sending us back here to check. But it's okay, these fouls add up. If they get to 7, we get double free throws. Just got to have some patience. Sorry, that was terrible timing on my part. Oh my god, man, these girls are seriously aggressive on the inside. Patta sa headshot. Okay, let's try that again. Maybe get one more foul. Arey yaar, this shot clock again! Right as I had her. Whoops, the video got cut here. It's okay anyway, you didn't miss much, it was just a few seconds in the middle. Moving screen. And there goes their 7th foul, which means 2 free throws for us. This is a pro gamer move, pulling the chair.
Turn it out.
Well, it's good also. Also, so a teammate turns to the pass. I think that's great basket. The point is slowly but steadily keeping the ball here. Someone finds her teammate. Naya has the ball here. Back to flip. That is it. Goes a full toss here. And finds it. Keep moving with the first one. And something.
How we have more total fouls than points.
The ball now. Finds Nira over there. Perfectly. Nira. He will not stop it. He will get the rebound now. He has the ball here. What will he do with the ball?
Okay, nice. Their shot clock is running out. In Karnataka, this 12 seconds feels way longer than out here.
Requesting Porvorim Pelicans versus Maxima Mystic.
Come on, Macha, you got to put it up. Shot clock.
Porvorim was.
Damn, she faked out the camera nicely.
And sit there. Intangible pass takes a shot. The ball comes 3 Jazzy, but what happened this time?
picked her pocket from behind.
Ball with full toss again.
Come on, shoot that.
Even Sara. Good pass and give the ball now. Team just stops of the ring. Ball to the ball now. Team. First not there, taking in the ball for her. And gets that. Ball now, Sara. 10-4.
Oh, damn. Didn't clear the ball, it seems.
Rebound now.
Remember, Machas, FIBA 3x3, both feet have to be outside the line. It can't even be on the line.
First, situation down. Passes to Vanilla. Takes the shot.
This has to be the first time a ref changed their call after I said something. Will probably be the last as well.
And just misses. Will get the ball here.
Okay, 14 seconds on the clock. Now we just use the entire 12-second shot clock.
Vanilla shoots it. Bounces off the ring.
And that's game.
Malga wins this game.
Next, we
8-5.
move on to the quarterfinals, semi-finals, and then finals. So please subscribe and turn on all notifications. You do not want to miss that. Damn it, this last game was so good. But I just... hey. Fun fact, I forgot to record it. A huge thanks to the organizers who were live streaming this on YouTube.